What's going on, guys? PPDC here, back with another video. And today, well, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on the Bugster drone. It's kind of complicated, but once you watch this video, you'll know how. So yeah, let's get right into it. So you have the drone right here, and then you have the battery. Just charged it. Now you just can't figure out how to turn it on. The instructions are hard to understand. I'll just show you how. So you're just going to want to put the battery inside the drone like that, and then over here to the controller, guys. You first are going to press this red button right here and hold it down, and then you press the on switch like that, and then it'll start blinking like that. Now you're going to come over here to your drone and plug it in. Playing that little sound and then light up. Now if you see, it won't work right now. So you're going to have to come over here and put your knob all the way down, and then you're going to press this red button right here. And so guys, yeah, that is it. Please like and subscribe, comment down below what else you want me to do next, and I'll see you later. Bye.